top switch. So a top switch is going to require you to have a double overhand grip. So both palms should be facing out at the same time. This is really good for doing something like an alternating shoulder press. So what you're going to go ahead and do, pretend like you do your shoulder press, back down. So what's going to happen from here is mace is going to go vertical. Once the mace goes vertical, you can see how my palm is pointing away from my body. This is the key, is you always want your top hand pointing away from the body. So what I'm going to do with my bottom hand is as I'm sliding it up, I'm going to rotate that palm so it's facing out. I'm going to replace it as it comes down, grabbing that other hand, again, pointing away from the body. So one more time, mace goes up, bottom hand, and I say rotate so palm is facing out, sliding that hand up, replacing the top hand to the bottom, and then you can go ahead into your shoulder press. What this looks like a little bit faster. Again, rotating, bringing it up, press, coming back around and doing it in that opposite direction. And that's how you do a mace top switch.